This is Joey Rendon back at the addition project in Springfield, Virginia. You'll be able to see we've made some good progress on the outside, pretty much got all the exterior trim done, majority of the siding done, exterior trim wrapping. We are going to get started next week on painting the brick around the whole house, as well as getting all the exterior trim painted as well. Alright, we're inside now at the kitchen. You can see we're getting started with the kitchen cabinet installation. We got the hardwood toothed in and patched in on the floor, drywall up obviously, and pretty much the majority of the interior trim done. We're working on finishing what we need to now on the interior trim, and gonna have these cabinets up hopefully by the end of the week and trim them out early next week. Here we're in the back bedrooms, which are going to be the kids' bedrooms. If you remember, we built a wall over here to the right to divide the two rooms, and we added a new closet here. Got the closet shelving done. Here's a linen closet shelving in the hallway that we had built. Made it out of paint grade plywood. Pretty much going to give them some usable space for towels and sheets and linens and things. Give them a little bit of a taller section on the bottom to put anything taller, and then shelving there up, and we're going to get those painted semi-gloss white here soon once we get started with the painting. Alright, so here we are in the master bedroom. You can see we got our two closets built out. Made this nice big window bench for the homeowners. Put it on a piano hinge so it opens up. Allows them for good usable storage. Alright, here we are in the master bathroom. You can see the walls. We got a nice porcelain tile with a nice waterfall, contrasting black tile, coordinating with the shower floor and the main floor. The main floor is a little harder with the cardboard to protect the tile, but you can get the gist